Because of my little brittle cold pipe issue, it kind of ruined this piece of pipe. And then that with my failure to measure twice, cut once, I don't have enough pipe to do around both of my garage doors. So I'm gonna have to splice some stuff together. Obviously you can buy just straight couplings for 1/2 inch PVC. And if your pipe needs to hold water pressure, yeah, definitely go that route. I'm not gluing any fittings together. I'm not gonna have anything running through this. So I'm gonna make an internal splice. What I did is I just cut off a short piece, about a 3-inch piece, and then I just used a hacksaw and cut a slot out. Now, I just did this by trial and error. I originally cut about a 3/8 inch slot out of it. I did have to widen it to about 1/2 inch, but now I can just crush this down. It's kind of stiff. And twist it in, and then take another piece and shove them together, and that'll work fine for my application. So it's just an inner splice. I maintain the same outer diameter. I may throw some super glue on it just to make sure it doesn't pull out accidentally, but that will be what I do.